Can you solve the question above with no calculator, knowing the reason for every step? If you don't, stay with me till the end of this video. Follow me on my social media accounts, Mr. Diego Tutoring.
Let's go.
What is the pH change when 0.100 moles per liter of HCl aqueous is diluted to 0.00100 moles per liter? Key word here, diluted. Diluted means to lower the concentration. So we need to know a few things to answer this question. The pH scale. The pH scale goes from 0 to 14. Every solution with a pH between 0 and 7 is an acidic solution, and every solution with a pH between 7 and 14 is an alkali or a basic solution. So we already know, given its HCl, that we have an acidic solution. Knowing that it's going to be diluted, the concentration is going to lower, we can infer that the more diluted, the less concentrated the acid is going to be. Therefore, my acid will get weaker. If my acid will get weaker and acids grow stronger as close as they are to 0, my pH will increase a little bit because I am diluting my acid. I am making it weaker. So the pH is going to increase. So we can eliminate alternatives D and C because we know the pH is going to increase a little bit even though it is an acid. What else do we need to know? We need to know that the pH is equal to the negative log base 10 of the concentration of H+, and that HCl is monoprotic, which means that HCl dissociates into one H+ and one Cl-. The coefficients are all 1. So the concentration of HCl provided in the question is equal to the concentration of H+ that we are going to use for our calculations. The old concentration of HCl, which is equal to the old concentration of H+, was 0.1. That is equal to 10 to the negative 1 moles per liter. And the new concentration of HCl, and hence the new concentration of H+, is 0.001 10 to the negative 3. So let's calculate by how much we diluted our acid, how much weaker our acid became. It decreases by, if we put the original concentration on the numerator and the new diluted concentration in the denominator and we divide them, we're going to find out by how much it was diluted. So 10 to the negative 1 moles per liter, it was our old concentration, divided by 10 to the negative 3, which is our new one. If I am dividing two exponents, I'll have to subtract them. Negative 1 minus negative 3 is equal to positive 2 minus 1 minus minus 3. That is minus 1 plus 3. We diluted it by a factor of 100. But remember, the pH scale is a logarithmic scale. So something with a pH 1 is 10 times more acid than something with a pH of 2. Therefore, it doesn't increase by 100. It increases by the factor of 10 into which diluted it. We diluted it 100 times. That is 10 to the 2. Therefore, we take this factor and this is how much our pH is going to increase. Our pH is going to increase by a factor of 2. Alternative letter A. All right, y'all. For more questions like this, follow me on my social media accounts, Mr. Diego Tutoring on TikTok and Instagram, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel at Crushing Chemistry on YouTube. I could really use some more subscribers in there. And if you really want to get those predicted grades up, really want to start your new semester right, DM me on Instagram to book some private sessions online. See you next time. Bye-bye.